Hello, good morning. Kasi syempre 30 years na ang batch 95. Let's go. Di kami nga mag-celebrate kita sa atong grand reunion 30th year. Let's go. Kaya kami halimpa kami sa Marbel. Nagalina kami dito early in the morning kay 7 to 8 a.m. registration. And may motorcade kita 8 to 9. And the program will begin 10 to 11 in the morning. Let's go, tara, let's.
Hindi na bisa na lang pinyo ka? Ano nga vlogger?
At this very moment of time, ready na yung ating police patrol para sa ating motorcade. Let's go! As you can see, nag-start na ginang aton nga motorcade. Nagbabay-babay na ako dira. Kag syempre ang atong mga upod nga gwapa, single na. Nagbabay-babay mga gwapa nga batch 95. Yes, hello, batch 95. Are you ready?
Oh, bye-bye. Pika-pika. Are mga gwapa ko, classmates.
Gusto na kasi senior term yan. Pwede man susulan, pwede man sa...
Gather once again as classmates. Laughter will remind us that some things never change. Lord, bless the food and the fellowship we are about to enjoy. May this meal nourish our peace and gratitude, and perhaps a few good loves for all that with thankful hearts. Amen.
Ito ko nga po kanya. Pwede mga maintenance. Meron tayong bupis and lechon. Lechon and the bupis. Let's eat.
30 low carb ana ito sa lechon and bupis. Kini mata pwede sa mga sweets pika-pika. Shout out sa mga sponsors. Thank you. Sarap ng lechon.
Malupay pa sa ruming. Hi, Len! Kapis na, kapis naman. Babay ka sa
Let us begin this sacred celebration of the Holy Mass and welcome our Mass Presider, Reverend Father Noel H. Vigas, Christian. Please all stand and sing our entrance hymn. Papuri sa Diyos ang kanilang asan. Papuri sa Diyos ang kanilang asan. Justice and judgment are the foundation of His hope. Rejoice in the Lord.
First thing that you need was to find His brother son again. We have found the Son, that is the Christ, and the God of Jesus.
Lord!
Inog lang ka mo